Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Yungblud Happier Jump sound. First, you need to identify and locate the specific audio clip. Search on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, or dedicated sound libraries. Look for official releases or widely recognized versions to ensure quality. This initial step is crucial for a successful integration into your creative projects, setting the foundation for your content. Once you have the Happier Jump sound, the next step is integration. Download or record the audio, then import it into your preferred editing software, whether it's a video editor or a music production suite. Carefully synchronize the sound with your visuals or other audio tracks. Precision here, even down to a few milliseconds, can significantly impact the overall effect and professional feel of your final piece. Now, let's explore creative application. Experiment with the timing of the Happier Jump sound to perfectly match the energy and flow of your content. Adjust its volume and add subtle effects like reverb or delay to ensure it blends seamlessly. Consider using it as a dynamic transition between scenes or to highlight a specific moment, adding an extra layer of impact to your narrative. For more advanced techniques, try layering the Happier Jump with other complementary sounds to create unique sonic textures. Don't hesitate to experiment with pitch shifting or tempo changes to evoke different moods, from playful to intense. You can also use it to punctuate comedic moments, emphasize dramatic reveals, or even build anticipation, transforming a simple sound into a powerful storytelling tool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.